A manor refrigerator complaint not keeping cold in fresh food nor in freezer. First observation, control board settings in the mid settings. Air dampener door is open, showing indication of compressor freon issues. Internal fan operative and running. Probable cause, lack of freon and or compressor. This particular design, French door bottom freezer, you can purchase new at $1,300, refurbished and used at $700. Freon complaints would not be a worthy repair due to not being able to verify exactly if it's a sealed and full system. The labor to locate where there may be a leak, where the freon may be leaking out of the system at, is labor intensive, which then at that point in time is usually non-repaired. You can recharge the system. Recharge systems are temporary. They will last for however long the leak of the gas in the system will hold. If it's a large leak, then recharging the system would only be good for about 90 days up to 1 year. Considered a temporary fix, not a permanent fix. In situations such as these would be considered a replacement of the appliance versus repair due to the sealed system and the verification of the gas, which is freon, odorless, tasteless. So the internal fans are working, the control board appears to be working, which means power to ground from the electronic controls are being sent to the compressor, and the internal fans for air circulation and the external fan for keeping the compressor cool, in which you can hear the fans operating. So that's a high indication of a sealed system, which would not be worth repairing because it would not be a permanent repair as far as a gas recharge, freon recharge, or it would be excessive, too close to 3/4 the cost new of replacing the compressor. A manor refrigerator, conclusion, in terms of repair versus replacement, this would be recommended as and what these cost new current to date. Due to the sealed system not being 100% verifiable of compressor gas sealed system and the time it takes to find the leak, and replacing the compressor and the time it would take, it would be more cost effective to replace due to the age of the design. The repair would be more than 3/4 the cost new. Replacement recommended.